Hi everyone, we're looking at the simplest math problem no one can solve. So let's go ahead and solve this math problem. PEMDAS is saying, hey, you need to divide first. So what is 9 divided by 5? Let's write that in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 9 over 5. Let's bring that minus sign down. And let's bring that 4 down, but in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 4 over 1 equals 4 does not change to 4. And then let's bring that minus down. And let's bring that 6 down, but in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 6 over 1 equals 6 does not change to 6. And so now we're looking at this. PEMDAS is saying, hey, you are going to start with 4 over 1 minus 9 over 5. So let's just move this minus 6 over 1 to the side so we can solve this. We need to subtract these two fractions, and notice the denominators are different. So we're going to use the butterfly method. So I am going to draw 2 wings, 2 antennas, and a body. So let's see what color this is. Green. Let's use green then. All right, so we are going to draw the first wing, 4 times 5, and the first antenna. So what is 4 times 5? 20. Good job. And then we draw the other wing and the other antenna. 1 times 9 is 9. And then the body. 1 times 5 is 5. So our denominator is 5. Now, what is 20 minus 9? Let's do some simple subtraction here. So 20 minus 9. So we do this. And 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. So the answer is 11. And notice that we have an improper fraction. So we are going to write the improper fraction. Let me erase all this we don't need. And write that improper fraction more to the left. And let's bring down and I'm going to use this color, 11 over 5. And then bring the minus 6 over 1 closer to the 11 over 5. So now we're looking at this problem. We are subtracting 2 fractions, and the denominators are still different. So we're going to use the butterfly method again. Let me use a different color this time. Let's see what color this gives me. Still blue. Nope, don't want that color. I want that color. It's like a light purple. All right, so we're going to multiply 11 times 1, which is 11, and 5 times 6 is 30. Good job. And then 5 times 1 is 5. So our denominator is 5. And so what is 11 minus 30? Simple subtraction here. Let's turn those numbers around. 30 minus 11, and the answer is going to be negative. So we do this, 2, 10. 10 minus 1 is 9, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So we have negative 19. Don't leave yet, because you need to get a mixed number answer and a decimal answer using long division. So the answer is negative 19 over 5, and you cannot simplify this further. This is it. That is the first answer. Let me go ahead and erase all this, so then we have space to use long division and get our mixed number answer and our decimal answer. So let me go ahead and write this over here. So negative 19 over 5, and we're going to write our mixed number answer here and then our decimal answer here using long division. So the 19 goes inside the long division symbol. This is called the dividend. And the 5 goes outside the long division symbol. This is called the divisor. So how many times can 5 fit into 19? Well, I know 5 times 4 is 20. So 3 times 5 is 15. That's close enough, but does not go over 19. So I'll write 3, and then we multiply. So 3 times 5 is 15. And then we subtract. So 19 minus 15 is 4. Good job. So we have a mixed number answer. 3 is the whole number. 4, that's the remainder, goes above the fraction bar or the division bar. And then lastly, the 5 goes below the division bar or the fraction bar. So we have an answer. Oh, and it's negative. Don't forget that. It's negative 3/4/5. Let's go ahead and continue to get our decimal answer. So you cannot fit 5 into 4, so we need to borrow a 0. So we draw or write the decimal after the 19 and the decimal after the 3. We write a 0 there, bring it down, give it to the 4, and the 4 becomes 40. So how many times can 5 fit into 40? How many? I can't hear you. 8. 8 times 4 is 40. And 40 minus 40 is 0. So your decimal answer is negative 3.8. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to join the smartest community on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a like in this video. I need the likes. And I'll see you in the next video. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.